sketch pen and Fevicol gum, pencil and scale.
Take a A4 size paper. Bottom, I measured it. It came 21 centimeters. Okay. And then I measured the top to bottom. The same 21 centimeters, and I marked it. Okay. By a pencil. Take a pencil, mark it. So right hand side finished, and I went to left hand side, 21 centimeters again, mark it. Now connect the dots. Take the ruler, connect the dots. 21 centimeter from top to bottom. That's it. Now I cut it. Take the scissors and cut that line. Go on the line. Don't miss the line. Go on the line. Okay, slowly and steadily. There you have your square. What is the squares idea? That you need to have all the four sides equal. So now if you measure, it should be 21 centimeters all the sides. Now what you did to fold it into three folds, three equal folds. Fold it 3 times. You see, I take my left hand side and the right hand side, and then I fold it. 3 equal sides. Okay. No pressure, everybody. Go slow. Now, once you did this, open it. Open it in the same way, and then reverse it. Like, you know, the left hand should go on top. The left hand should just go on top, and then bottom, top to bottom. Hold it now. 3 equal sides again. Okay. Now, when you open it, you should see 9 squares. Do you see 9 squares? Let me count it on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, that's what it is. So let's move on to the next step now.
Yes.
So it's the most easiest step, everybody. Just that you need to get a plus mark there, right? If you close all the boxes, remaining box, you need to just get this shape.
Head shape.
Head shape, yeah.
Shape.
And we have done this in previous classes as well. Okay. Everybody just cut the way we have shown it there. It is the most easiest thing. Crafts are the most easiest thing. Don't get confused.
Now we'll keep these two as it is and gum the rest parts. See, we can gum this, here and here. Put the gum to the corners of the square. Now take your scale or ruler and measure the centimeter of the cube of one side. Mine is 7. Now take one more sheet of your choice. If 7 centimeter, then you have to add 7 plus 4.5. The centimeter you have got plus 4.5. You have to mark 11.5 at the bottom. Same thing you have to mark vertically. Yes, did you mark 2 centimeter in each side like this? Then you line it, you put a line. See, can you see here? Inside this you got a small square. Now, here is your square. See, if here is a square, you need to cut these lines, right lines. And glue the right part like this. And you can stick it. Once again, yes, did you take the sheets which we have used for making the box? Then we need to cut two straight, we need to cut two cuttings, okay? Approximately 0.5 centimeter. You can cut the extras. You need to glue it here. Make one more cuttings in the same way. Take your sheet and cut approximately 0.5 centimeter, length of approximately 10 centimeter. Take your gift box cap and you need to paste it here. Glue it here like this. Okay. We'll do a small bow. Okay. Once again, take your gift box color, not the cap one. Okay. Mine is pink color, 10 centimeter vertically like this. Okay. You have to mark 10 centimeter vertically and horizontally 6 centimeters. We'll fold this rectangular into half like this. Okay, now take your pencil and here is the folding, right? Here is the folding and you need to draw here